Hey guys, Casey Elmore here, and I wanted to jump on here and create a short video to explain to you how the residual effect begins to happen as you're wanting to grow your paycheck to a consistent paycheck and to be stable and long lasting. So first and foremost, welcome to the team. Super excited for you to be here, and I know that you're going to make a huge impact. So we're excited to have you. What I want to share simply is, as you work through the marketing plan, where does that residual effect start to happen? And understand how it works. So we really talk about getting to your 2,000 plus, your second promotion where you become a virtual franchisee to make to start experiencing residual effect in your income. And so what that looks like is that once you hit VF level in our marketing plan, you start to make 14% commission on your orders, okay? And what that really means is, if I'm talking about it in dollars wise, is that, for example, on a trio order, we make $63, okay? So what that means for you is that you make $63 on when someone places a trio order. But when someone places their trio order for the first time, our company is going to do us a huge favor. They're going to pay us $39, okay? Our first month. They're paying us retail RSP, retail sales profit, up front to help us build a paycheck, okay? Especially being new to the business, wanting to build a good little paycheck to start, okay? And then what they do is that remaining $63, what they're gonna do is they're gonna take that the remaining dollar amount between $39 and $63. So if we just do the math, what's left over is 13 minus 9 is 4. Sorry guys, basic math, right? 13 minus 9 is 4, and then 5 minus 3 is 2. So $24, okay, is left over. What the company does with that remaining $24 to pay us is that it says, well, everybody pays monthly on their Juice Plus for 4 months. So they're going to take that total and they're going to divide it by 4, okay? So 24 divided by 4, okay, equals $6, okay? And that is going to be a $6 addition to every single paycheck over the course of that next 4 months. So that's where a little bit of residual happens, just $6. It doesn't seem like a lot right now, but it is in the long run, okay? So that's when someone places their first order. When their second shipment comes through, that's when we really start to experience the big residual effect down the road. So you've started to build a customer base. We always talk that a jackpot business where you are customer qualified, you're getting at least 24 trio equivalents. It could be, shred customers, whatnot, but it's at least 24 trio equivalent customers where you're reoccurring 1,000 PVC monthly. That's where the paycheck really starts to become residual. And so what happens is you've hit your 2,000 plus, you've been building your customer base to 24 trios, and now you're experiencing people's second customers come through. So second time around, when those customers get placed and you're making 14%, the company is going to still pay you that $63 on a trio order, but now, let's just separate this, they're going to divide that whole amount by 4, right? Because they're paying for it monthly for 4 months. Okay, they're going to divide that whole amount by 4 versus paying you the retail sales profit up front. So they're $39 up front. So now this is what builds that residual effect. And so the reason why we talk about, let me move this right here just so I can pull up a calculator, because I didn't write down these numbers ahead of time. And the reason why corporate talks about building that residual income where we can count on our paycheck regularly is when this effect starts to happen. So when this effect starts to happen, we can expect that $63 divided by 4 equals $1,575, okay? So $1,575 a month added to your paycheck every single month. Well, like I said, 24 trios or 24 trio equivalents, right? So you have 24 customers. So you've got 24 customers bringing in $15.75 a month to yourself times 24, okay? That is going to give you a minimum pay amount residually of $378. So this is the bare minimum when you start to see that residual effect. This is our goal for each of you to build a solid paycheck. So $378. And this varies. So what I want to show you real quick is what it could potentially look like as you're building customer bases as a VF or as an SC. So as a VF, you're making 14% at $63 on a trio order. At 24 trio orders, you're making $378 a month. Okay, and we'll just put 24 equals 378. As a VF with a 40 trio customer base, you're going to make residually $627 a month, okay? And again, this is very plain and simple. You're just going to take this $1,575 times 40 and you get $627 a month. Now here's what's really cool. This isn't what you make off of your team at all. This is simply your customer base. But what I want to show you next is as a sales coordinator and why we strive to help each of you get to sales coordinator, because you're leaving money on the table. We're leaving money for you on the table. So as sales coordinator, you make 22% commission on a trio order. And this is so important to make this get to this commission level, because it's the top commission level for the entire company, no matter if you're a sales coordinator or if you're a national marketing director. So 22%. This means that you're going to make $75 on a trio. We'll just say equals trio. Again, we always get paid the first time around. First time around, retail sales profit is $39 on a trio order. Okay. And if we take that difference of the $39 minus the $75, because now as $75 you're making now as a trio, with a trio customer as a sales coordinator, you're making $36. So 36 divided by 4 for those next 4 months of the initial customer's order is $9. So now you're adding $9 to your paycheck that next 4 months. So it doesn't seem like a lot, right? But remember, when that second shipment comes through, that reoccurring shipment, that's where the residual income starts to really play in. So now their second shipment has gone through. You're making $75 on a trio. We divide that now by 4 because they're going to pay in installments, right? We always, it's important to get our customer base built in installments so that we are building a consistent, stable paycheck. So doing 75 divided by 4 is going to be, 25, right? Yeah, 75 divided by 4 is $25 a month. Okay, $25 times 24 trios is going to equal, so if you have a 24 trio customer base, which means you are self-qualified as a sales coordinator, you are making $458. Okay, and then as a sales coordinator with a 40 trio customer base, you're actually now making $763. And again, I just want to remind you guys that this is based off of your own customer base. This does not include any commissions you're making off of your team and your downline. I just want to paint a picture of what it can look like for you to be in control of your income, for you to be in control of your residual paycheck by building a customer base so that you have that solid, stable, jackpot customer qualified business. And this is where the magic happens. So thanks guys for watching. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out. All right, see ya.